Here's how to use complicated processes on simple tools for people like me that don't know a lot of that stuff. So you want to take this out and make it a texture. First, go up here and insert the cylinder. Oh, okay. Zoom out. Just simply, I'm not really going to focus on making this fit nicely, but we'll just make it big. Try to get her face in there. Come on. Okay. So then, with that one there, you just go up here and select object, and duplicate, and then easiest thing to make them the same center is 92.3. oh wait, that's size. So go down here, X is 4.79, Y is 3561. Unless it was 4.75. Come on. 4. Sorry, my memory's full, so things move slowly. Okay, so now that the two of them are lined up, switch back to scaling, make one of them wider. Oh, that's obnoxious. And then you also want to make it shorter so that you can end up with a circle. Okay, so should look like that. Look like those little Lego buttons. Alright, so the only thing we want to do is lift this up so that it's not in the model that we want to do something with. Okay, so now that that's done, we'll just make sure that this taller one comes out both ends, so that when we subtract it, which is up here, edit, subtract, boom. Okay, now we got a ring. Easiest part is next. Drop the ring right through your piece. Make sure it goes through both sides, because you want to cut it out completely. And then just try to frame up what you want, like that. And then we hit subtract again. You could actually save that ring and use it as a template later. Alright, we're just waiting. Wait. Okay, so now you see how there's a ring. So you go up here. Oh, see, sometimes it'll automatically separate the two items. If it doesn't, if it still shows it as one thing, you just go up here to ungroup. So then you just deselect the part you want to keep. Now you'll see that that's highlighted, and just simply hit delete on your keyboard. Boom. There you go. Now make that your base, make that on your base, whatever you want to do. You now have a POG. Enjoy.